Welcome everyone. This place is absolutely crazy. This community is nuts. I got a box, as you can see, from JK Saw Shop. I don't know what to say, JK. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Let's see what we got going on here. JK has been working on a project for someone in the community. Here's a note. Let's read the note. Opening this up with the canoe I got from Johnny Arnett. Let's see what the note says. Let's open. I don't know if I should read the note first. Let's see what's let's open the box, and then I'll read the note. Oh boy, JK. And anybody else that was involved in this situation better look out. I'm just saying. Got lots of wrapping stuff. That'll probably blow all over the place, huh? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good wrap job. Oh my God. You have got to be kidding. JK. JK Saw Shop. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, the goosebumps are ridiculous. Unbelievable. You see what he's done? Do you see what he has done? Unbelievable. JK Performance, Scottsdale, Kentucky. Scottsville, Kentucky. Unbelievable. Now we'll read the note. Wow. That's crazy, JK. All of it. Unbelievable. Kenny, I had the idea of building you a saw because of what you do for the community. I found it very fitting that I let the community donate parts for this project. I couldn't think of a more fitting person to do this for. Josh at JK Saw Shop. And a list of the people that made donations or sent parts. Smitty, Brian Smith, Smitty's Chainsaws and Firewood. Thank you, Smitty. Appreciate you, brother. Mama Taz. Wow. Stephen Letts Performance. Jesse Harmon. Corey Corp. Justin Weaver. Thank you guys. Thanks everybody. Appreciate it. TazMan-Kenny Fuller. Yes, I did donate. I donated to the project. And Mitchell's Backyard Logging. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, Wes Mitchell. I do, buddy. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you everybody that helped JK with this project. And thank you, JK, for coming up with the project. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. So we gotta put some gas in it, huh? Yeah, we gotta put some gas in it. Make sure there's nothing in there. Oh, goodness sakes. I'll be right back. Oh, dude, this thing is... Oh, boy. Full wrap handle. Gosh, JK, what? Are you kidding? Oh, this is so unreal. Holy cow. $390? What? Oh, my gosh. I can't even get over this. This is unbelievable. Unfreaking believable, man. Well, man, we're gonna be cutting some wood now. Let's see what it says here. Switch is on. Oh. Oh man. She's got some compression, buddy. runner, buddy. Oh, man. Sorry, I got into the tuning mode. Oh, my gosh. Oh, brother. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Absolutely unbelievable. What you people do in this community is just unreal. JK, this is insane. Please go check out JK Saw Shop. JK Performance this is just unreal. Go check him out. Go check out his YouTube channel. Go give him support, please. Please. Yeah, we're gonna have to talk about the porting on it because I don't even know. I know he builds a strong work saw. He's built a few for other guys in his area and stuff, so I don't even know what else to say. I don't know what to say to all of you guys. Everybody that helped with this project, I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. This is unbelievable. A 390. I've never run a 390 before, ever. Not ever. That's the first time. You guys witnessed me starting a 390 for the first time ever. Oh my gosh. Thank you, JK. I can't thank you enough, buddy. This is unreal. There will be a lot of this saw on the channel. There's no doubt about it. No doubt about it. All right, everybody. Well, I love y'all. Everybody have a great week. Have a great day. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling with a 390. Be kind. Love you, JK.